Morning, guys. Time to do a little more welding. See what we can do here. Just about got it. I should weld this morning. Now, I like this little badass machine to be so small. 128 amp for a big 78 thing. I got it covered, guys. Good, but that ain't working too good, guys. Getting some light on this shit. That looks good. Look this one a bit more. Look that eye back there. Just don't burn this one, guys. I had trouble with them last night. It's the same setup where I can actually see it. 135 is all I got. Just heading for the top. It's going to fire it up. Stay on my head. I'm not going to take what I left last night.